Oh, welcome to the Belief Store. How can I help you?
The Belief Store, yeah. Do you guys take returns?
Sure we can. Yeah, bring it over. Let's take a look.
It's amazing. Yeah, it's a gift from my parents, and it's just not working anymore.
Did you try believing it?
Yeah.
I have to ask, sorry.
It's okay. Wow.
Now, which one is this? Okay, right. God is a man.
Yep.
And he sits on a throne made of, what is it?
Gold and jewels. Gold and jewels.
Gold and jewels, yeah. He loves you.
Yeah.
That's nice.
It is nice.
And he wants you to love him and people.
Yeah.
But if you don't, something bad happens, right?
Yeah. Yeah, if you don't, you go to hell.
Hell.
Yeah.
Yes, right. Okay,
So
yeah.
much fire and
Eternal burning.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right, okay, yeah. So this is the one where finite actions have infinite consequences. But if you pick out the right belief, included in the box, you get to live in a paradise forever. It's also made of gold.
Gold and jewels, yep.
Nice. Oh, yeah, and of course the standard sense of superiority. No, we put that in all the boxes.
Oh. I do like some of the stuff in there.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, so the love stuff is really good. How to treat people, I think, is real good. But I find it really hard to do.
It's about average.
Oh, okay.
Don't beat yourself up. So, not a full return then?
No, can I do like a partial return?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, sure. Was there something in the store that you had in mind?
Oh my gosh. All this stuff. Just the truth. Just put the truth in, and I'll just take that. Take that.
That's good, man. Oh man. You're serious? Listen, you seem really sincere, and I would love to just hand the truth to you, but it's not how it works.
Why not?
It's a bit untidy, you know? We don't wrap it up like these beliefs.
Why?
Store policy.
Store policy. Okay, so what do I do? I mean, there's one here, there's one there. I'm not gonna.
Well, most people, they come in here like real hot like you, ready to return the beliefs that their parents bought them, and then they just leave with what they came in with. So.
No, I can't. No.
All right. Well, listen. Why don't I keep this here, like kind of a store credit, and you could do a trial run on some beliefs that you see that you like, and if they work for you, great. If you hate them, bring them back. This will be here anytime.
That sounds good.
Yeah.
Can I grab one out of there?
Oh, yeah,
Okay?
sure,
Just
sure, yeah.
one,
Take one fave.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Love your neighbor as yourself.
Classic. Can you take this with me?
Yeah.
Live my life.
Listen, that one can be a bit tricky. Just a heads up. It means you also have to love yourself.
Yeah.
Right? So, hypothetically, if you hated yourself, how could you love your neighbor?
Oh. I better.
No, you know what? Keep it, just practice. It's one of the hardest ones there is.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah,
That's very kind.
absolutely. And this will be here, so really, anytime you want to come back and pick it up, you're welcome.
I did see one more.
Yeah?
Yeah, just this one. Just this one.
Oh, yeah, alien lizard overlords who rule us telepathically to fuel
Their spaceships.
Their spaceships,
With
yeah.
gold.
Yeah, with gold.
Is it?
Sure, man.
Okay,
It's a
cool.
fun one. Yeah.